This video will explain the arrow-in strategy. The arrow-in strategy says, when your goal is a conditional, try assuming its antecedent in the hope of deriving its consequent. I will illustrate this strategy with a proof. So here in this proof, we want to derive the conditional D arrow G. So we're going to do the arrow-in strategy. So we start out by writing our goal down at the bottom. So there's an element of the backward strategy to this. And the arrow-in strategy says when you want to derive a conditional, so D arrow G, by arrow-in, you start out by assuming its antecedent, so D, and then try to derive its consequent. So in this case, G. So D is a provisional assumption. Okay, so D will let us get E out of line 3, so 3 and 4 by arrow out. Then we can put that D and that E together, D and E, by 4, 5, ampersand in. And that gives us the antecedent of the conditional on line 1. So we can use that to get not F out of line 1 by 1, 6, arrow out. And then we can use that not F to get G and W out of line 2 by 2, 7, arrow out. And then we can get G by 8 and out. Then on line 10, we can derive D arrow G by lines 4 through 9, arrow in. That's an important thing to note about arrow in. You notice how all of these other rules, like the arrow out and the and in, it's 3, 4. It's 4, 5. Well, on line 10, it's not 4, 9, because it's not just lines 4 and 9 that justify it. It's lines 4 through 9. It's all of those lines. Okay, I'm going to save the assumption dependence column for another video. I'm going to go through the assumption dependence column for this proof in another video. So I will skip that for the moment. But that's how the arrow-in strategy works.